Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to show you the another benchmark scores of the Poco X3 Pro device. So recently friends, the Poco X3 Pro has got launched and a lot of users are really interested to know what will the performance and all those details, because the Poco X3 Pro version has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, so which is the first time the Qualcomm Snapdragon is used in this smartphone with the 860 chipset. So with the Poco X3 Pro device, definitely friends, it has been entered into the mid-range kind segment because of the price range. So that's why a lot of users are really curious to know what will be the performance. And make sure to subscribe to my channel friends for more details on this Poco X3 Pro and other smartphones as well. So right now I do not have the Poco X3 Pro device at the moment, but I'll definitely I did order my phone, so it will be arriving maybe in the next couple of weeks. So stay tuned for those videos as well friends. But right now I did search in the online in the internet, and I did find out a few of the benchmark scores. So this might be helpful just in case if you are curious to know what will be the benchmark scores. This might be helpful for you. So just before that, just let's start with the basic things about the phone. What will be the processor and what is the GPU as well. The first thing, as you can see friends, which has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset, which is the 7nm as you can see processor, and which is the GPU is of Adreno 640 GPU as you can see, but the phone has got the LPDDR4X RAM, so not the 5X. So nowadays we did see the phones with the 5X RAM type, but this is the LPDDR4X RAM type. So this is the one thing you need to be aware of the phone before you are buying. So now let's see the Antutu benchmark results of what I did find out in the online in the internet. So first score, as you can see friends, so this is one of the website which they did mention this kind of score for the Poco X3 Pro device, so which has been scored about 4,76,000 in their Antutu benchmark test results. As you can see friends, 4,76,000. So these are kind of genuine results, I would feel, definitely, because right now I do have the Realme X2 Pro, which has the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So 855 Plus and the 860 are kind of close to each other. So right now I'm getting about 4,93,000, and definitely this test results would have been definitely genuine as well. So next results is that another screenshot which I taken in another website. So there they did mention the benchmark score is about 4,86,000. So total you're getting about 4,80,000 on an average if you consider for the Antutu benchmark test results of the Poco X3 Pro. So maybe this video might be helpful for you just to know if you're curious to know the Antutu benchmark test results. So definitely friends, in the future once I get my mobile phone, I'll try to do another video as well personally. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those interesting videos as well, and do let me in the comments below what are the other things you want me to know want me to do on the Poco X3 Pro device as well. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.